What's up guys, we are here with Garry's Mod. Today I'll show you guys how to make a basic text screen kind of thing. So if we press a button, a text will show up on the screen, and if we press the button again, it will not show up on the screen. It will just, you could put another text down like hey, bye, or you just could do welcome. And then if you go in a house or something and press the button again on the other side, it will show nothing at all. So you could use this for a whole lot of things. So what you want to do first is, of course, download Garry's Mod, buy it. Download the Wire mod. It should be at garrysmod.org. Then you hold Q, go to Wire and chip expression 2. Should be all clear enough if you guys play Garry's Mod. Now right click this, and as you can see here, I've got a whole thing already going. So what we're gonna call it, YouTube. Let's put testing. We don't need a trigger and persist. We will go over what that is with another tutorial, but we don't need it for this one, so bye. That name, you can basically put everything you want. Inputs, we're gonna have a button. Always have this capitalized. Outputs is gonna be screen, and what category, it's kinda string. String means it's just a whole lot of text, so nothing too fancy. Now we want to type in interval. In between the parentheses, we want to type how many milliseconds. Interval basically means it will refresh the code in milliseconds. So if we put 100 milliseconds, it will refresh every second. I think 100 milliseconds is 1 second, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm dumb. So we're gonna put 100. I like to leave a lot of those spaces just to make it clean and stuff. Now we want to make an if statement. If button, I'll go over what all this means in a second. Then screen test. Else, oh, that doesn't look good at all. Screen, no, test. So it should, oh yeah, if you wanna check for errors, click this validation successful, this green thing, and let's say we put this in, god damn it, let's say we put this in, it will say there's an error on what line 10, chart 1, so if we click this, it will say successful. So there are no errors in our code. So I'll go over this. We've had the interval, we have had the inputs and outputs. Now if button, this if button is it's kind of the same as this. Oh, I always do that. 1. It means exactly the same thing, but it's written shorter. E2 kind of guesses that if you just put button or whatever, it will shut the fuck up, stupid kid. Wow, these guys are annoying. So if you put if button, it will kind of assume that you mean if the button is true, or if it's on, if it's 1.
Good.
Hang on, guys. Okay, I hate it when you fucking stupid. Where do I mute you?
Yahoo!
There we go. Mute it if I can get. Now, if button is on, or is 1, as you guys might know from whatever classes you have followed, 1 means it's on, something is on. 0 means something is off. So if the button is on, it will execute the things in these curly brackets. So if button is pressed, if it's 1, it will do screen test. It will show the string test. Else always comes after an if statement. So if it's true, it will do this. Else basically means if it's not true. If the previous if statement is not true, it will do this, no test. So we'll save it. And we'll set up a nice board here. Oop, I'm not too good with turning and stuff. We want a button. Where's the button? There we go. Let's do a nice go button. You want to have toggle on, of course. Have it on 1 and 0. There we go. Now we want a text screen. Don't have any text in it. I mean, you could if you want, but I don't really see why you would. Just get it on here. Go to Wired Advanced down below. Oh, I'm an idiot. First, of course, place your chip. Else it won't work. Facepalm. Now, what you want to do is wire the button from the chip to the button. What a surprise. And that way the string, category string from the text screen to the screen string. As you will see, it will show up no test. If I press the button, it will show test. So that's kind of your basic tutorial for how to make a text screen. Next tutorial I'll go over some of the what's it called, holograms, so you can have some fun with holograms. Yeah, it's been it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys do. Love you all the same. This has been Syntrax. I'm out.